Good morning, respected sir and ma'am. My name is Amiya Kumar Tripathi. My roll number is 21MI33003. This is my third DIY project. So in this project, I have basically assembled and disassembled the electric room heater. So I am going to show you how I did it. Thank you. So today I am going to assemble and disassemble this electric room heater. So now I will turn on the switch. So as you can see, it is on, its dial is on 2, so both the rod will glow up. You can see both the rod has glown up. And now I will show you the disassembling of this electric room heater. So now I will start the disassembly. So this is the electric heater rod. It is made up of nichrome, and nichrome, the rod is of nichrome, and it contains 80% of nickel and 20% of chromium. So basically it's a nickel chromium alloy, and it is used in the rod because it has great resistance, high resistance, so it can yield high temperature and glow up to high temperature to provide us heat. And now I will show you the inner thing. So this is the rotary switch. The rotary switch conduct electricity to the rod, and this is the rotary switch. It's also held to rotate this and set the conduction to either a single rod or a double glowing rod. Okay, and now this is the double jack. The double jack, it's the wire jack, and the wire jacks just connect both the wire to the rotary switch and to the rods. And this is the LED which glows and which indicates that power are being supplied to the electric heater. And This is the thermostat holder, which connects all the wire through it, and power supplied through the main switch is first go in the thermostat, and this is the thermostat, and then through the holding the rotary switch, it goes through the rod, and the rod glow up, providing high temperature to my electric heater. You can see I have assembled it again, and now we will try that whether it's shine works again or not. So I have connected it to the socket, and I will turn it on, and let's see what happens. The dial is again at pointing at 2. So as you can see, both rod glows. The LED which I shown in the video is pointed here. The rod is glown with a double heater rod here, and you can see both rod shines as well. Thank you.